Alright, today we're gonna go find some Easter eggs. We got 2 golden Easter eggs and 2 Easter bunny Easter eggs. And the kids are ready to go. So let's get them. You got JoJo out here collecting eggs. Alright. JoJo.
Hurry, Stella, hurry. Stella, your shoes. Good job.
Oh, he knows what he's doing. He picked it up and put it in his basket.
Really?
Good job, JoJo. Yeah. I said put that in your basket. And you did it. Come on. Oh, come here. See, try another one. Here, JoJo. Put that one in your basket. There's another one right there, JoJo. Wait, put that in your basket. Here. Put that one in your basket. Get it, JoJo. Here, JoJo, put that in your basket. See?
Aww.
He's getting all the money ones, though. He's going to have to trade them for the ones with candy. Yeah, he's got money. He's going to have to trade them.
That's left. We can't.
Oh, is there any more?
Found a golden one.
Okay, hurry guys, go find it. What is it?
What money? Cash money?
Or quarters.
Where'd it go?
Oh, hey, Nikki. Look up on top. Look up. JoJo, are you done? You giving up?
Jojo, what happened?
JoJo, come
Huh?
here. Come here, JoJo.
What happened?
JoJo, come here. Look. That one in. Grab that one. Yeah, grab it. No, don't put one in there. No. He's doing backwards. He's doing them backwards. He's finding the ones with the money because the money ones are the first ones I hit. Now put them in here, JoJo. Put them in here. There you go.
There you go.
Good job.
Good job. Yay.
All right, now go check the other kids. See what they're doing. Come on, JoJo.
Did you find it, Nikki?
Ah, there she has a lot.
Nice.
How much is there?
That bag would be full.
It's a lot more. You guys have found all of them yet.
What do you mean?
Where'd it go?
All around the yard, right?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, there is. One right here. Yeah!
Nikki, you're funny.
Ow!
There's Stella. Stella, another one here. Stella. What's in here?
There's one right here. Psych! I'm looking because I got a little candy.
Stella, your shoes.
The crazy guy is talking to himself. He's yelling at himself. Down there, I just heard him yelling at himself. He was like, you know damn well you got that money. And nobody's standing there. Look, he's in the corner.
What? Who?
Crazy guy in the corner.
It's crazy.
Oh, JoJo, good. What is it?
He was like, you know damn well you got that money. There's nobody there. Okay, so you didn't find the other white egg? Let me help you find it, Nikki.
He's a weirdo.
Yoda's doing pretty good. He's got just as many as the rest of the kids. He doesn't know what's going on. He's gonna be out here looking for eggs for the rest of his life. Wondering what happened today. I don't know if they found all the eggs they could have.
No.
Did they?
Why did they see that Nikki doesn't have both white eggs? So,
Do they
I
have?
don't actually remember where the other white eggs are.
Ah, you have to remember all the other eggs. Oh, I think I know it. No! I got it! No!
That's a baby.
Jojo found another one. Don't break your mama's stuff. Jojo's finding them all.
Nikki, stop being angry. It's only a toy. Nikki's angry. Angry little man. Yay.
What happened? What corner?
Inside. Inside. Go outside. Inside. I see where Stella's gonna get it. Here, hurry up. Stella, did you check that corner? Stella, check that corner. There's a couple of them there. Just quickly.
Huh?
Quickly before Stella gets them all.
Nikki!
There's a couple of them in there. Keep looking. Look around the whole thing.
Oh, there.
Oh, look around the whole thing. I know there's a white egg around here somewhere. Oh, Nikki found it, Stella.
I didn't want it.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, did you guys find 3 of them, Stella?
3?
There was 3 of them. Okay.
Really?
I think they might have found them all. I don't know. I haven't been following them.
Sila. Did you see any?
I had more.
Wow. Let's see. Here.
Don't waste my time.
She's like, don't waste my time. Cold. The berry is growing, Sarah. The berry is growing.
Alright, did you guys find them all? I don't know because I'm not following you guys. I found one.
Well,
I'm surprised you guys didn't look there. I hit that there last time.
You did?
Last time I hit that there.
you see, look at this berry. It's start growing already.
Where are the berries?
This is a leaf. It's not, the berry's not here yet. The berry should be right here.
Oh. Make it sound one. Okay. Oh. Ow.
Hey, hey,
Uh,
be careful.
Big for 3/4 because he
Me,
can't
me.
All right, trade for 3/4.
No.
Bring.
You hold this, let me tie your,
Can I trade? Nope. Too bad.
let me tie your shoes.
Wow. Dad, I want to trade.
Don't drop it.
Quarters, yeah.
Didn't you tie his shoes yet?
I did the other shoe.
So you want money? Give me 3 of your candy.
There's a $100 in there.
Mama. This? No. There's There's one. Yeah. There's 3 candies.
What are you doing?
I'll give her the 3/4.
One. Oh. I can't find it. There's a pink thing in this one.
Just take your candy back, Scylla.
Huh?
Take your candy back.
Yo, what are you doing?
There's nothing in there.
Just take your candy back. Forget it. Don't worry about the quarters so much. All right, I think we're good. Let's see. Let's count up the eggs. See who had the most.
Who's the winner? You got money too. Put money in there?
Oh, in the golden one.
The $1 bill?
The $1 bill's in the golden one. Nikki's golden one.
Well, he lost
But
it.
it already dropped out. It's on the trampoline. I see it somewhere over there.
Where?
I saw it somewhere over there.
Oh!
Yeah, there's your $1 from your golden one.
Yeah! I got it too.
She got quarters, 4/4.
The baby wants to go.
Oh.
Watch out, because the baby's gonna steal your eggs. Swipe or no swiping. He's coming for your eggs, Nikki.
Get him.
Oh, he just wants to go on the trampoline. Watch out, Nikki. The baby wants to go on the trampoline. Did you count? Did you count how many you got?
Hold on. Let me just put this in. Oh my gosh. No, Jojo, these are mine. No!
Nikki, show them what's inside the Easter bunnies.
Wait, hold on.
No, don't let them lose these on the trampoline.
Oh my god. What?
Nikki, show them what's special about the Easter bunny. The Easter bunny. Stella, take your shoes off.
Oh yeah.
Nikki, take your shoes off.
Why?
You're on the trampoline.
No. I want to play. No! Nope. Mickey, the baby has 8. How much do you got, Mickey? I got 6.
Jojo, play on the trampoline. No eggs. Look at. Show them what's inside the Easter bunny.
Wow.
Nikki got the lettuce. There's lettuce inside of the Easter bunny.
That's why I didn't want it.
Still a new.
Well, Nikki, don't eat that. Sister didn't wash it.
I didn't wash them. Because I didn't expect you would actually eat the lettuce.
Hey! No! Well, I'm gonna jump.
So, you got some chocolate. The rest of them have chocolate. Let's see what's inside the rest of them. They don't have quarters or lettuce. They got Easter egg.
What is that?
Reese's peanut butter.
You get like... No!
Peanut butter.
Mhm.
Oh, I don't like peanut butter.
Reese's. Well, Stella likes them, even though she don't like peanut butter.
Are you guys doing? You guys want to go in?
No!
It's kind of a little chill.
Well, you guys can empty your eggs and you guys can play on your own if you guys wanted to.
No! Get Jojo out of here! No!
You gotta take him in.
Okay. Come on, Jojo. You want to go back inside, Jojo?
One,
Come on, let's go back inside.
All right, done.
Yep.